Alrighty guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I set up my knowledge base inside of CloseBot, and also I'll be sharing some best practices that I've learned. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you about here is you got a few options. You can create a text file, which is me personally is what I recommend. Let's say you're uploading another text file up here. What I've noticed is when you upload a text file, it won't actually let you edit. So what I recommend is getting that text file, copying everything from in there, and then pasting it in here. That way, as you can see here, click right here, you can click edit, and then I come back in here and make some changes. Versus before, when you upload a text document, and if you can't go in there and make the edits, you're gonna have to download it, make the changes, delete it, and re-add it. So this is what I would recommend to save a lot of time. And I also prefer text because it's just more accurate, less information. Although the web scrape does work well, and I think from my understanding, it actually scrapes every 24 hours, it updates. It also picks up other information, so it's probably the least reliable. I know you do have some other options as well, like your spreadsheets, some CSVs. So, but me personally, text. That way you can be able to go back in there and edit and then control what's actually the bot is reading. Okay, so once you actually upload or you create a new text file, and you can also use ChatGPT to help you come up with these facts, right? Because these facts, let me show you here. Created some facts for crowd body sculpting, right? These facts are also ways that your bot is going to handle objections, right? Like, hey, what is it? Does it hurt? Does it actually work? How long does it take? How many treatments do I need? These are all objections people have. So if you fill the fact with objection handling stuff, it will actually make it easier for your bot to actually book these appointments and then close those calls on the leads. So you can ask ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT. You can tell it. You can be like, hey chat, hey bro, I want to start a landscape business. Can you tell me the 10 most frequently asked questions that could, dude, I'm on the plus. All right. I want to start that could help combat objections in the process. Let's see what it says. So here's where you actually, you get this information, you fill it out with the price of your stuff. See, so you can use the AI to actually help you. Look, can I see examples? Yeah, maybe give them a link to a page that has all the before and afters. There's so many ways you can do this, right? So I just wanted to give you a quick example there. But ideally, you would want to use text notes, and that's it. You can attach it to your source here. You see edit sources, and you would drop down Zen Cryo. And then you save it. And then that attaches it to that source. All right, now that it's added it, you want to go ahead and do the same with the other ones. You want to go to edit sources here, Zen Cryo, save it. And then do it the same. And there we are. And that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. And I'll be showing you more about the agents and setting up your persona and your flows. It's going to be awesome. And I'm excited to see you then.